Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make lion's mane extract using an easy dual extraction method. This powerful technique ensures you capture both water-soluble and alcohol-soluble compounds from the mushroom. You will need dried lion's mane, a high-proof alcohol like grain alcohol, and distilled water. We will go through the two main stages. First, a hot water extraction, and then an alcohol extraction, before combining them for a potent final product. It's a straightforward process. For the first stage, the hot water extraction, you will gently simmer 1 part dried lion's mane mushrooms in 10 parts distilled water. For example, use 100 grams of mushrooms with 1,000 milliliters of water. Let this mixture simmer for approximately 2 hours, ensuring it does not boil too vigorously. After simmering, strain the liquid and set it aside. Keep the mushroom material. We will use it again for the alcohol extraction. Next, for the alcohol extraction, take the mushroom material you reserved and place it into a clean jar. Cover the mushrooms completely with a high-proof grain alcohol, ideally at least 80% pure. This high concentration is crucial for extracting the non-water-soluble compounds. Seal the jar tightly and let it steep for a minimum of 2 weeks, shaking it gently once a day to ensure thorough extraction. This step is vital for a full-spectrum extract. Finally, strain the alcohol extract, pressing out all the liquid from the mushrooms. Combine this alcohol extract with the water extract you prepared earlier. Gently heat the combined liquid in a saucepan, allowing it to simmer until its volume is reduced by approximately 1/2. This process evaporates the alcohol, concentrating your extract. Once cooled, transfer your potent lion's mane extract into a dark glass bottle. Stored properly, it will remain effective for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.